If I am in cell D2 and in cell D2, cell A2 is referenced with equal sign A2. So I will press enter. A2 is containing number 2. So when I say equal A2, it knows that in D2 it should be number 2. What will then happen if I copy that reference down to D9? I will use an autofill, left click hold, and there we are. So what happened? So the reference changed from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. That is called relative cell reference, because by default, Excel was programmed to follow a certain pattern. So it checks in D2, A2 was referenced. So that means a copy to D3 should reference A3, and a copy to D4 should reference A4. So that's the pattern that it's following. It's just relative cell referencing. It looks at a pattern. I started at D2, A2 was referenced. So if I go to D3, A3 should be referenced. So that is referred to as relative cell referencing.